Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a tape stop effect using Ableton's own stock plugin. So let me show you how it sounds.
In the darkness I feel lighter, I feel lighter. In the darkness I feel lighter, I feel lighter. In the darkness I feel lighter, I feel lighter. In the darkness I feel lighter, I feel.
So it's pretty simple, you heard it, and now I'm going to make this effect right from top and show you. So first what you do is add an audio track. I'm going to pull this vocal bit down. I'm going to add in this audio track the delay device. You can do the same tape stop effect with the echo device also. All you have to do is whatever I'm doing or whatever I'm showing you right now in this tutorial, you have to just copy the same thing in the echo device and you'll get the same results. So first and foremost, you need to switch off this filter. Second, see to it that you are in the repitch mode. Next, you are going to remove the feedback. You do not want the feedback at all. Put the dry wet all the way on top. Switch from the sync mode to the time mode and turn these dials all the way down. And next what you want to do is you want to automate this dial of time wherever you want this tape stop to happen. Okay, so now let me just play you this track and show you what actually is going to happen.
In the darkness I feel.
You heard that. Now what you need to do is you need to automate this. So go into the automation mode by clicking A. And let's automate this. Let's click on the time and the track will show us what we need to automate, and then we're going to put this up, and now let's hear it.
I feel.
Okay, so this is what we want, but we don't want that effect staying after the automation ends.
I feel.
That low pitch thing, you don't want that. So how do you get rid of that? You need to open another automation lane, and in the new automation lane just go here, select delay again, and this time select device on. So now you're going to automate device on and off. You're going to put off the device wherever it's not needed. Okay, it's not needed here, it's not needed at all. And after the effect is over, you're gonna get rid of this device. Okay, let's hear this now.
I feel.
Okay, so let's correct this automation. Let's put the device off over here instead of here. Now let's hear it again.
I feel.
Yes. And now let's hear it with the track.
I feel lighter, I feel.
So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please click on that like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And I will see you in the next video.